Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. Cat Eye Glamour, where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. And what makes us more glamorous than makeup, hair, clothes, nails. Nails! Girl, let's get into these nails or whatever. Come on. Before we get into these nails, let's talk about this makeup, because I don't even look like I'm on quarantine. I look like I've been out in the streets, at brunch, at the mall, shopping, hanging out. But you know, I'm locked down just like you guys, and I was so tired of my nails looking like shit. I can't think of another word aside from shit, okay? I normally get dip nails, so I typically keep them very short, and every 2 weeks, religiously, I go ahead and get them done. But with this quarantine life, that's just not possible, so I decided to try press-on nails. I went into Walgreens today, and I got some footage of different press-on nails. As a matter of fact, instead of telling you, I can show you. So don't believe me, just watch. Roll the tape, girl, roll the tape. So after watching that footage, who is about that press-on nail life? I am about that press-on nail life. Girl, I don't think, you know, for right now, I'm not going to be going into the nail shop, of course. Even when this quarantine thing is lifted, after doing this and seeing how I can get these glamorous nails for $10 in like 15 minutes, I don't know if I want to go back into the nail shop. I mean, and there's no commitment when it comes to this. I can try new colors, new things, new designs. I've never tried this shape before, but I wouldn't go in a nail shop and ask them to give me this because I'm not sure if I would like it, so I wouldn't want to commit to that. Do you know what I mean? So this makes it convenient, it's affordable. The next clip, I'm going to show you guys how I applied mine and how I got them to fit and customize them to my liking. But these nails are so perfect. I'm my own nail tech, okay? So go ahead, take a look at how I apply them, see how you like them, see if you want to try them. But Kiss products, A1. A1. I have another pair. Well, before I show you the clip of me doing them, I bought this pair, or this pack. They're clear nails with the stones, and they have like a matte white. And I'm going to apply this after these. I'm going to apply these for my birthday, because my birthday is April 30th. Of course, I'm more than likely we're going to be still quarantined, but I am going to take pictures, get cute. So I want my nails to look good. I'm still going to be doing videos. So when I'm showing you products like this and I'm pointing to them, you don't see tree barks. Like, who wants tree barks? I don't. Okay, so watch the next clip of my little demo on how I apply them, and you can see how easy and how quick it is. And I'll be right back after you watch it. So go watch it, girl. Stop talking to me. Go watch it. Go. All right, so this is what comes in the pack. It comes with quite a bit of accent nails. These ones here is with the jewels, the metallic, the marble, and this nice mauve pink color. So let's get it started. It also has what is this? A small file, a cuticle pusher, and the glue. So I am going to wash my hands and clean my nail beds with nail polish remover. That's what the instruction says. And then I'm going to kind of shape and file my nails down. And then we're going to put these things on, girl. easy was that? How easy was that? $10 for this, $10 for these beautiful, beautiful nails. I'll keep you guys posted on how long these actually last, since we are excessively washing our hands these days, constantly using hand sanitizer. But even if these last a week, they've done their job. Excuse my son in the background, he's a riot. But anyway, again, if it lasts a week or so, I feel like I've got my money's worth, because this was $10. This is $10. 15 minutes. I mean, why not? Why not? Definitely, if you guys try it, let me know, tag me. I am on Instagram, which is the same as my YouTube channel name. It's Cat Eye Glamour, CATEYEGLAMOUR. Follow me there so we can stay connected. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe. Don't forget to come back, bring your friends, bring your cousin, bring the girl you don't like from work, bring your cousin's baby daddy, bring all them. Bring all them. And we're going to be doing this all day because our nails are done now. Okay? Okay, okay, okay. Bye, guys. Bye, y'all. Bye. Bye. Like, bye. Won't you leave? Bye.